Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Etrade account. First, let's get you logged in and familiar with the main dashboard. You'll find your account balances and a quick overview of your investments right there. It's designed to give you a clear picture of your financial standing at a glance. From this central hub, you can easily navigate to all the key functions, making your investing journey straightforward and efficient. Now, let's talk about placing trades. Head over to the Trade tab, where you can select what you want to buy or sell. Whether it's stocks, options, or mutual funds, Etrade offers a wide range of choices. Simply input the ticker symbol, the number of shares or contracts, and your preferred order type. Always take a moment to carefully review all the details before confirming your order to ensure everything is just right. Managing your money is simple with Etrade. You can easily link your external bank accounts to facilitate seamless deposits and withdrawals. Electronic funds transfers are a convenient way to move money, and you can even set up recurring deposits to automate your savings and investment goals. Keeping track of your financial activity is also straightforward, as you can view a comprehensive history of all your transactions within the platform. Etrade provides a wealth of research and tools to empower your investment decisions. Dive into comprehensive reports and market insights to stay informed about potential opportunities. Utilize advanced charting features to analyze performance and identify trends in your portfolio. Plus, there are many educational resources available to help you expand your financial understanding. You can even set up personalized alerts to keep a close eye on your favorite stocks or important market movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.